Well, oh, what's up, y'all? I hope I don't get disconnected. All right, I'm on Gentilly, y'all. Sun is shining once again, like I said. Surrounding. Oh. All right. Oh, what's happening? There we go. All right. All right, y'all. I apologize for that, you know. Okay, so I'm on Gentilly. Look around here. As y'all see the surrounding areas, just in case you're not familiar with New Orleans. Once again, the sun is shining and stuff like that. Okay. Get ready to wait on the bus and stuff like that. The bus should be coming in a few minutes. Okay. I'm about to go take care of my business and stuff like that. So, business comes first. Friendship and relationships come next. You know. Dominoes 7 is a superstar, you know. But truthfully, I don't know who watching this, though. Erica, I hope you're watching, you know. Well, if she's not watching this on her Facebook, she's probably watching this at her house on her TV. If it's uploaded to YouTube, when it's uploaded to YouTube, you know. Or she watching this at my house, either at my old house or my new house, you know. I don't mean old house as in Metairie or New Iberia, you know. That's if y'all been watching my shows lately, you know. I don't know what happened to this shop, you know, to this gas station, you know. It been closed since Hurricane Ida. It reopened and had no power, you know. But closed down again. I don't know what happened for it to close down. They're probably renovating this place, you know. They're probably renovating, you know. Yeah, y'all look at here, Shell. And this Shell gas station been here for years, you know. I saw a girl in here one time that I knew that worked here. But I was living in New Iberia at the time, you know, when that girl started working here. I ain't gonna say her name, but forget it, I'm gonna say her name. Some girl named Taquincy. She'll probably watch this video. She sure like, I used to mess with one of y'all. That was me, girl. It wasn't my twin brother, it was me. You hear me? And speaking of my twin brother, you know what? Brittany knew that I have a twin brother. I think I told her, you know? And Erica thought I was lying when I told her I have a twin brother. And she thought I was lying. She asked me, which one is me, you know? Which one is me, you know? I can't play a joke on that one. I really can't, you know? But I'm glad she met my twin brother for the first time. It ain't gonna be her last time, though. Brittany, too, okay? You know, speaking of those two, I recently accepted somebody's friend request. No, I sent this person a friend request, and she accepted. Well, she gonna watch this. This is a Facebook Live, y'all. Whoever she is, gonna watch this on our news feed. You know? Oh, is that Domino? Yes, Domino. Take my mask off. All right, here I go. Yeah. So, recognize me with the damn towel. I hope this pandemic be over soon, because I'm sick of wearing masks, you know? Look where I say, welcome to Gentilly. Yep. Look at the sun shining. All right, there we go. And the lobby not even open over there. Oh my gosh. The lobby not even open. Ain't that sucks, y'all? That really suck, you know? I wanted to eat me some chicken. I might have to go to Brother's Chicken, you know? Oh well. At least the lobby at Church's Chicken is open. You know. I'm not going to say well, you know. Okay. I remember I was at a grocery store. I'm not going to say where this place was, you know. This girl crept up behind me, you know. You miss Erica, huh? I say, yeah, but I see her again. I had no idea she was standing behind me. but I'm not going to say the name of the place. It's a grocery store, you know. I'm not going to say well, you know. I'm definitely not going to say well, you know. Okay? Even though she don't work at that grocery store no more, I ain't going to say what's the name of the store, you know. I would say it's a grocery store, you know. I'm not going to say the name of it, you know. Okay? All right. Not on national TV, you know. If you're not familiar with New Orleans and if you're not from New Orleans, look around. Look around. Gentilly. All right? Gentilly. Gentilly. Yep. All right, that's all I can talk about, okay? All right, see y'all here. I'm about to go take care of my business.